a little bit up, just rest there and blow and let the air come through. When you pronounce the R sound, for you put your tongue like this in your mouth. You put it like that. And you make the R sound. So you put your tongue like this and in your mouth like this. And that's your R sound. So you're putting your tongue like this. But in Spanish, you will put your tongue like this. Right there. Like this. And blow. That's the R sound, okay? So you can say carro, carro, which is car, carro, car. So car is carro. So when you see two R's together, you know it's a strong R sound. So carro, two R's. If you see just one R, like that, that sounds caro, do. For that do sound, what you do with your tongue is like put it like that and let it go like do. Caro, which is like the short name for Carolina, for example. Caroline, Carolina, so you call them Caro, Carolina, Carito, Caroline, so you call them Caro. But if you see two R's, that means this is a strong R sound, which is carro. So put your tongue behind, flat, and blow. Carro. Different to caro, okay? Caro, carro. So this is, this also can mean expensive, like something is too expensive. You can say, oh no, that's muy caro. Expensive, muy caro. I will delete this so you don't get confused with this. So expensive, caro. It's just a regular do sound, which you put your mouth and let it go. Do. Different to this one, two R's, that's a strong R sound, and that's car. Carro. Okay? Carro, caro. All right? That's easy. Just practice. Put your tongue flat behind your teeth and blow. Carro. Okay? And just make sure when you see two R's is a strong sound, carro. And when you see just one, caro. But if it's at the beginning of the word, it's a strong R, like capital R is a strong R. It just sounds like this when it's just one in the middle of something. But if it's a capital one, like a name, Then, because it's a capital one, it's a strong R sound. It doesn't matter if it's just one in this case, right? Because it's capital R. So always when it's a capital R, it's a strong sound. So re. Oh, I forgot one letter. Oh. So, Ricardo. Ricardo. Look at one here. This is a one, but it's small. It's not capital. So, it's a regular R. A regular one, not a strong one. So, this is a strong one. This is a regular one. So, listen the difference. Ricardo. 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 Okay? So always when it's capital, it's a strong R sound, ra. And when it's in the middle and it's just one, it's a regular one, like caro, caro, cardo, caro, cardo. And if it's two of the little ones, it's a strong sound. Ro, carro. Okay? Two little ones, a strong sound. One little one, regular sound. One little one, regular sound. One capital, a strong sound. Strong, strong. Regular, regular. That's it for today, guys. See you next time. I hope you like the classes. I hope you like the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you didn't do it before. And don't forget to follow me in social media and click like. Bye-bye.